It's a cute little room. I booked this on Airbnb. It's Kent and the potting shed, but I'll put the details on. Booked it because we're sailing from Dover tomorrow and wanted to start the holiday a day early. These are cute. They're the roof. I'll show you. I'll take a picture of the outside and show you after. But they have grass, like a living roof. This place is gorgeous. I think we got it because of a cancellation, because I didn't see it a few weeks ago. See the beer garden, and then these lovely chairs with like sheepskin on. Nice posh coffee machine. And lots of choice. Wow. Water, that's nice. Bin. Oh, drinks menu, but we have a reservation for later on to drink and eat here. Nice. Another chair. Huge TV. I walked in and was like, oh, there's no TV. That's strange, but it's fine. But then I was like, oh, there is a TV. It's huge. It's there. So then it's like an aircon unit. Always good. It's nice and cool in here. It's really hot outside. A fan over there as well. More plants above the door. It's like a little hobbit house. Nice sofa. Nice with my stuff all dumped there. But nice L-shaped sofa. And then let's do the bedroom next. So this looks nice. A phone by the bed. Lampposts, oh, plugs, always good. Lots of things to charge for cruise tomorrow. Then, what's over here? More plugs. I don't know what that is. Some sort of sound. Oh, an ironing board and a hairdryer. Can't focus. Lots of hangers. I love these walls. Same on that side. Lamp, plant, and plugs, and a light switch. This bed looks comfortable and clean and nice. Then look at these tree posts, like tree trunks rather, as posts. So the bathroom, I guess you've got to be quite close to the person you're staying with, because it's a curtain. But you know, my husband and I have been together 14 years. You know, curtain's fine. Oh, nice, like, old-fashioned toilet. I love the tiles in here, especially that green colour. That's like the colour of our car. Very nice. Oh, a heated mirror. I love one of those. Come out of the shower and can actually see in the mirror. Check you've got no soap left in your hair, whatever. Extra toilet roll. Lots of towels in a beautiful, like, old-fashioned sink. And then the shower. Oh my God, it's huge. I love those tiles. They're beautiful. Huge shower. Monsoon rain as well as normal shower. And lots of plants. That shower is huge. Yeah. I think we've done well with this place. It's cute and it's so cool. Considering how hot it is outside, it's about 31 degrees Celsius. In here, I mean, I'm sweating buckets, but it's really, really cool. There we are, a little quick tour of the potting shed. Rooms, a pub with rooms.